Where are the kids going? Are they going to school? This way. Go into the bus. Hi, Mr. Busman. Hi, bus driver. Thanks for taking us to school. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Have a great day. Blue kisses. Bus driver. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Are they going to go down the slide? Whee! Whee! Bye. Have a good day. Okay. Close the door. See you later. Bye-bye. 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 See ya. Are there any kitties on the bus? Meow. Meow. What'd you do? Oh, be nice. Gentle. Gentle with the kids. Uh-oh. Hey. Nice. Gentle. Yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
Friends? Are they friends? Bye-bye. Are they going to school?
Bye.